What this shows is from the teacher perspective, how we translate MYP criterion grades into a more traditional percentage grade that will then reflect in PowerSchool. So for example, if an assessment is only assessing one of the criterion, I'll show you how that translates. So we go from 8 to 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And so what this does is it shows you that the different MYP numbers can identify then with that traditional mark. It changes as you add more criterion. So if an assessment is assessing 2 of the criterion, changes a little bit. So my apologies, my screen is, there we go. Okay, so if say a student scores a 6, say criterion A, and then the assessment is also assessing criterion D, and they score a 5, this would translate to an 85. They had a really strong criterion B, as well as a very strong criterion C, you would see that grade reflected as well. And so on and so forth. If there are more criterion, you can see there's different combinations here of different assessment grades. What does a 5, 7, and 4 look like? What does a 5, 6, 6 look like? And the same pattern continues for 4 criterion. So if a student is being assessed on all 4, and you see a variety of marks, such as the ones below, it then calculates into a traditional grade that will reflect in PowerSchool. So when you see these grades in PowerSchool, what you'll also be able to do is also see the criterion strand as well. And I will show you a picture of what that looks like.